The logo on your Nasher Miles bag is either a dome sticker or a clip-on one. In rare cases, the logo comes undone. We will send you a new one for replacement. In this video, we will show you how to remove the logo and fix a new one. Open the bag and unzip the front panel. The logo is a clip-on. Open the clips from the inside and remove the logo. Take the new logo and insert the clips from the two gaps in front. Make sure that you are holding the logo in the correct direction. And then close the clips from inside. Your bag is ready for its next journey.